This indoor grow tent from AC Infinity feels extremely sturdy thanks to its thick steel frame poles and dense outer fabric that resists sagging and tearing over time. The interior mylar lining is noticeably more reflective than typical tents, helping to squeeze more usable light out of the same fixtures and reduce dark corners around the canopy. Its generous square footprint and tall ceiling comfortably accommodate a sizable plant count, with room for training, equipment, and easy movement inside. The large viewing window and smooth running zippers make it simple to check plants or work in the tent without constantly fighting with stuck pulls or losing environmental control. Thoughtful details like the dedicated controller mounting plate, light-blocking cable pass-through, and multiple duct ports make it straightforward to integrate fans, filters, air conditioning, and humidifiers cleanly. Reinforced corners, extra hanging bars, and a stain-resistant catch tray give the whole setup a professional feel and add confidence that it can handle heavy lights and the occasional spill.